See, I grew up as a wild child, played by my own rules. Stubborn as a motherfucker, I don't wanna go to school. Math class is boring, recess is old news. I just wanna chill and have fun like them older dudes. And so I did, and I never gave in. My back to the wind and the roof of your grin. I was out for the sting, where I wanted I went. When they told me I'd lose, I just told them I'd win. And I snuck out of class, headed down the road, ventured on home, called me Indiana own. Said I never look back, I just set my own path. I don't need a game plan, I can get my own map. Till girl meets boy, and boy meets girl. Never would've thought that she would change his world. I remember that day when we met up in the rain. She just looked me in the eyes and she said one thing. I remember that day when we met up in the rain. She just looked me in the eyes and she said one thing. In the wind, I wish you never left. This shouldn't be the end. She always on my mind when I'm thinking in my zone. When there's nothing left to drink and I'm sitting here alone. The cards are on the table, the odds are looking grim. Indebted to regret, there's no profit in a win. I told her what she meant, just so she remembers that. I sent her with a prayer, but she never wrote a letter back.